get that low view over here. Nice. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Thanks for tuning back in. Almost here for the car meet I'm hosting today. Super excited to see the builds here, different setups, get everybody together, reunited, I guess. Everybody get to know each other, especially New York City. It's crazy. They be driving around, they're like, yo, why you parking my spot? Man, get out of there. So it's funny. I think it's good. Growing a big community here is nice like that. So let's check it out. All right, we got some crazy cores popping up over there already. Nice. Look at that, bro. Ooh. Let me get my gimbal out and start recording for you guys. Yo, this is wild. Uh-oh. There you go, drop it. He's driving low. That's super low. Yo! This is wild. We got some crazy setups here already. Can't wait to make a full video on this. I like that contrast. Yellow. Let's go, bro.
What up? How are you?
Yo, drop it, man. Yo, drop it. What up, bro? How you been? Feels good? Sweet. Look at that. 9th gen right here, as you guys said it. Look at this 9th gen diffuser in the bottom. What you guys think about the 9th gen? See, we got one here. You guys always wanted to see one. Now we got it. Hey guys, again, thanks for tuning in to the channel. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are new and haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We got some action going on over here. Let's get that low view over here. Nice. We got another 9th gen showing up. Cool. Hey, this is great. There you go. And it's super early too right now, so everybody showed up a little earlier than I thought they would. And yeah, 9th gen right here, the wheels, the setup, it's epic. Sport. What you guys think? Blacked out. Look at the front bumper. That front bumper, what do you guys think? And then you got the front lip, the splitter, the wide splitter kit. Look at that. By the park over here. Damn, those are bright, bro. Look at this contrast. I never thought of a yellow on a blue. Bro, I never thought about a yellow on a blue. It actually looks really good.
That shit looks nice. I never
Yeah.
thought about that neither.
I never, it's like yellow, it's probably on a black one, but not on a blue
one. The
but
black one,
it actually stands out.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah. Hey guys, and again, if you guys need the front lip, body kit, stuff like that, anything for the course, 10th gen, 9th gen, I believe 9th gen, I'm not sure, but yeah. But again, you guys could grab it from X-Gen Auto and AEM Tuners. Check them out. I'll put their link in the description below. And I'll also put the discount code as well for you guys to help you guys out. Thanks to Boosted Whips. He's helping us out here everywhere with the discount codes and everything like that to help us out, you know, about the community. So yeah, discount code is going to be Boosted Whips on the X-Gen and AEM dash Boosted Whips going to be for the AEM tuners. That's what's going to be. So I'll definitely put it in the description below for you guys, so check it out. But yeah, waiting on more cores to pop up. Can't wait to see the rest. at it. We showing up at action. Yo, Grace. Yo, get in there, get in there. Look at this. Yes, sir. Now move up. Yo, make it move up. Oh, you can't see you. Now you parked. What up, bro?
Are you supposed to come in the wrong way to come here?
Nowadays, yes. New York City for you.
That's how the fuck I got in there.
They close the gate?
Yeah, they closed that shit over there.
Oh shit. So you gotta come. You gotta reverse there, right? Oh, you went across, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought he was about to do some donuts. Yeah, right? Look at that.
Touch them. They flush, because mine is not forming. Mine's not flush.
Got those lights in.
Just a little bit.
Oh yeah. It's lit up in here so far. Waiting on more. All right, we got more. Let's go. Oh. Yo, this guy's nuts over here, bro. Yeah, he was in the back. He left it and the gate was closed then. Look at that. Everybody's more people showing up, fam. Look at all those courses. They're going crazy. Oh yeah. I hear you outside all the way up there. And another one. Yo. Yeah. When you drive low and slow, you're like, you know. Oh, I know this guy. Oh my God. Let's see. What's up, bro? Oh, what up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Long time no see.
Oh, yeah, long time, right?
Good, right? Yeah.
How you doing?
Damn.
How you doing, Papa?
Good, bro. How's life? Life is good?
Life is good, brother.
Yo, this Accord is crazy here. Look at this thing. Yeah, everybody's like loving this Accord right here. Yeah, it's lit. Alright guys, I'm gonna end the content video right here. I'm gonna do a live stream for y'all right now. So if you guys are watching the live stream, this is why I must have ended the the video here, right? So any comments or anything, comment below. Questions, whatever, comment below. We got you. DM me at RedLineMods.official. Yeah, everybody's linking up, getting connections, you know, different setups. Everybody's getting ideas from here. So yeah, peace out till next time, fam. I'm gonna definitely go live stream right now for y'all.